Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol JNUG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days, both Wednesday and Thursday, broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. That does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. This one has been getting just absolutely hammered basically the past day and a half, and now the chart is starting to approach some pretty interesting technical levels, and that main technical level that the price is starting to approach right down here around this $10.20 mark. And I bring this up, and this is not some sort of great discovery on my part. And I say that because when there's a lot of eyeballs that are watching and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, but that's what's going on here with $10.20. Like I said, if somebody understands charts and uses charts, they're going to have taken notice of this, and they're going to be wondering, okay, there's been quite a bit of history in the past of this area acting as support, and, you know, including today when the price is essentially started to go sideways right at that level. Now, there was a final little break during the final 30 minutes right there. So again, the big question a lot of people are going to be wondering is, you know, is this the start of something bigger? You know, is this the beginning of a bigger breakdown, or what exactly is going on here? In the event this is the start of a bigger breakdown and people start to get freaked out, it wouldn't be shocking at all to see the price head down to that pink line there at $9.97. Let's just call it $10, which is the 200 period simple moving average. So again, if this is the beginning of a breakdown, let me zoom back in here a little bit now that we see kind of where that green line is coming from. Well, then that takes out the pink line. There we go. So if the price, like I said, does kind of freak out enough, then that is definitely going to bring the price down at least $10 where that pink line is. Now, this could potentially just be a fake breakdown. Just because the price is broken down through it does not mean it's a guaranteed breakdown. So in the event this is kind of one of those head fakes and then the price goes sideways and turns itself around, where are some of these levels of resistance at? Initial area, if there is going to be any sort of worthwhile bounce that gets started, is going to be the $10.40 mark. After $10.40, next key level after that, going to be up there right around $10.65. If the price can somehow actually get back above those levels of resistance, then keep an eye on the purple line, which is the 50-period simple moving average. That line's not exactly relevant right now, but yeah, depending on just how much this bounces, if it does get the bounce, then that could become relevant. But like I said, first key hurdles at 10.40 and then 10.65, so looking like Friday may be pretty interesting. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.